Assalamualaikum. We are from section 101, group 3, and we are going to talk about renewable energy for community, which is solar energy. For the introduction, solar energy is a clean renewable energy source that harnesses natural sunlight to generate electricity. Because Malaysia receives an abundance of sunlight every day, it is the perfect location to adopt this technology. Ultimately, switching to solar power is not only great for the environment, but it is also helps significantly reduce our daily electricity costs.
Next, I will be talking about how solar energy works. First, solar energy comes from the sun. Sunlight is a natural and renewable source of energy. When the sunlight hits the solar panels will convert the sunlight into electricity. Then, electricity is sent to homes or school through electricity that flows through the wire to power lights, fan, and computers. Solar energy is environmentally friendly because it reduces the pollution and helps to protect the environment. Other than that, it can reduce the electricity bills by using solar energy.
Practical application in Malaysia, where floating solar is being used in Malaysia. Malaysia is placing floating solar panels on unused mining lakes or reservoirs instead of using land. This helps save land and makes use of empty spaces. For example, the Bestari 300 MW FPV plant in Kuala Selangor is an example of a large floating solar project that turns abundant water areas into clean energy sources. The benefit from floating solar is the water helps cool the solar panels, making them work better, which is higher efficiency and also reduces water evaporation. In conclusion, floating solar is a practical and sustainable solution for Malaysia because it helps generate clean energy, save land, and improve solar panel efficiency.
Now I will explain the cost of renewable energy. First, renewable energy requires a high initial installation cost. For example, installing solar panels and wind turbines can be very expensive at the beginning. Second, renewable energy systems need a large area for setup, especially for solar farm and wind turbines. Third, maintenance and repair costs are also needed to keep the system working efficiently. Next, energy production depends on weather conditions. Solar panels cannot produce much electricity during cloudy or rainy days, and wind turbine needs enough wind to operate. Lastly, expensive grid upgrading may be required to support renewable energy system in some areas. Next, I will explain the benefits of renewable energy. First, renewable energy reduces air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which help reduce global warming. Second, after installation, the long-term electricity cost is lower because sunlight and wind are free natural resources. Third, renewable energy is sustainable and renewable, which means it will not run out unlike fossil fuels. Besides that, it improves public health by reducing pollution and creating cleaner air. Renewable energy also creates job opportunities in local communities, especially in industries like solar panel installation and maintenance. Lastly, it increases energy independence because countries can produce their own energy instead of relying heavily on imported fuels.